Hey guys, good morning everyone. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. Sorry about yesterday there. I had a few appointments with the medical team. Got some really great news yesterday. Really happy and relieved, so going really good with that. So besides for that, guys, Boeing just got FAA approval. Their 737 MAX jet is ungrounded. Shares are taking off. We've been talking about this quite a while. She got up to a high of almost $230 a share here in the pre-market hours. And you guys know we got some big trades on Boeing here. We got some pretty big trades on Boeing. And as you guys could see right here, we have the Boeing December 18th, 205 call. We're already up 41% on that trade, up $2,000 on that trade. We also have a paycheck trade on FedEx, the 280-250, 285 vertical call spread for the November 27th Expo, which takes us up to Black Friday, because you guys know we've been talking about this. FedEx, UPS, all these carriers, they have record amounts of packages they're shipping because of COVID this year. So really nice setup on FedEx there. Shares are still rising. Shares above 285. That trade right here on FedEx is going to make us 178% gain. This Boeing trade, with that news right now, we have the 205 call. This is from yesterday. We were up almost 42% yesterday on Boeing. So now what I want you to do is take a look at Boeing in the background here. This is what's amazing. So as you guys can see, Boeing's at $224 a share right now. Huge pop, up 6.5%. That trade I just showed you there, that's going to make at least $5,000 today. That on top of the FedEx, I think we're going to have a beautiful day here, guys. So the other trade we have is the Google trade we have for this week's Expo, the 1795-1800 vertical call spread. We'll be taking a look at that. Let me put up something else here on my other chart. Okay, Space is still taking off here, up about 0.4%. Virgin Galactic, $21.43 a share here in the pre-market hours. Good morning, team. Good morning, guys. Nice to see everyone here. How's everyone doing? How was your day yesterday, team?
Great.
Great. Who's that?
Marcus,
Marcus, what's your last name? I got a few Marcuses.
tomorrow.
Oh, nice. Very nice. How you doing, Marcus?
Feels good, man.
Hey, did you end up picking up the FedEx or the Boeing trade?
I did FedEx yesterday when it was at its low.
Oh, beautiful. You got the regular calls or did you get the vertical spread?
No, I did regular calls.
Oh, nice. So you're going to have some nice gains on that today as well.
Yeah, I did quite a few contracts. So.
No Boeing, though?
I had Boeing too.
Alrighty, guys. Here is opening bell. Let's see here. Let me see this. Refresh this. Let's see what we're at here.
Future FinTech naming a new COO, Chief Operating Officer. That's FPFP.
Nice climb on Boeing. Now, as you guys can see here, that Boeing trade here, now up 104% gain on the Boeing trade. Huge gains on Boeing. But remember, we have the December 18th Expo there. So I'm going to be holding on to that for a bit because you guys know what we're looking for. We're looking for a big break to that 235 to 240 area, and I think we're going to hit that easily. I think we're going to hit that really easily with Boeing. Nice climb there. Boeing still taking off. Let's see. There goes Boeing.
Tango files for up to $25 million mixed shelf. Tango Yankee Hotel Tango, TYHT.
There goes Boeing taking off again. Another climb on Boeing. Big breakout. Alrighty, Ephraim, guys, I just sold the Boeing trade. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that nice, what do we have, $5,000 profit? So here we go. I just executed that trade. That trade is gone. We sold to close the Boeing December 18th, 205 call. We got executed at $22 a contract. Now what I'm going to be doing is utilizing those profits, and we will be making another trade on Boeing here. So let me see what we just did right here. That was a beautiful, beautiful trade there. Just took that up about $3,000 here from yesterday at 102 now there. That's looking good. We have the Google vertical spread 1795, 1800. We'll see what that's doing today. I'm looking at Google up at the top here. Google's down about 60 cents for the day, 1761. That could easily climb here. We'll take a look at that today, see what that does. Let's see what is our FedEx trade doing today. We got some nice gains on FedEx, about 1,500. You know, I want to hold on to that. That's 178% max net gain on that. Let's see. Sing Trong says 50% gain on FedEx call. Thank you, Dave. My cousins got good from Boeing call as well. Thank you, Sin Trong. Now, Sin Trong, you remember on YouTube there, he was a doubter. He was a big doubter. You messaged me on Facebook, and you're like, hey, you know, what's going on? Now that he tried us out, how do you like it, Sing Trong? All right, let's see. Space is still on the climb there, too. Space up about 10 cents, about 0.5%. We locked in that profit. Let's see gains and losses here. Let's see where we're at for the week. Yesterday, I had to take off. You guys know I was diagnosed with cancer, so I had the flow cytometry done, and that came back really great. It did not spread, so happy with that. Guys, here's where we're at for the week so far. 11/16 to 11/18. We made $6,189 profits so far. Beautiful, beautiful profits there. Boeing, FedEx, Google, nice gains. So take those profits, lock them in, and then you utilize these profits to make further trades. Now let's see here what we're going to do. I want to make some more trades here today. I think we're going to have some nice setups. Let's see, what's Google doing? Down $1.25 here, not really doing too much just yet. Alrighty, let's see here. Nice job taking profits on that Boeing. We took profits literally right here on Boeing. Right at 220. At the 931 candle, so that was nice. Space is taking off here, guys. Take a look at SPCE. Guys, the other trade there, Intel, holding on to that. Holding on to, let's see, wow, look at Space still taking off here. Space now up at 1.69% on the day. Nice breakout on Space. I'm watching Amazon and Google over to the right there. Gonna keep an eye on Boeing as well. Facebook's really not doing a darn thing there yet. Got a big breakout on Amazon coming. Guys, Space is still taking off. We got a nice gain on our Space trade. We got in those contracts for 79 cents a contract. They're now at 94. Let's see, 0.94, divide that by 0.79. We're already up 19% on the Space trade there, and that's for the November 20th Expo. Let's see, they're saying FedEx is ripping higher. Let's see, FedEx. Look at that breakout on FedEx. $2.88 a share, guys. What a heck of a breakout. Let me go back over to E-Trade here. Refresh that. What are we up on FedEx? Wow, look at those gains. Beautiful gains there. Heck of a trade there, guys. Our FedEx trade's going to make some really nice profits. Up already at $1,600 on that trade, but what did we pick that up for? Ephraim, what did we pay for the FedEx trade? You remember? It's right in front of me. What am I talking about? 4.32 minus 3.42. We paid 90 cents for that. 90 cents for that to be worth $2.50. That's some huge profits right there. Let's see what I could get in that. Yes, I am still in the Intel trade. Not doing too much on Intel yet. But remember, that's for the December 18th expo. Don't get caught up on something that has a longer term expo there. That's doing its thing. It'll be fine there. Let's see. What could I get for that FedEx? 280, 250, 285 vertical call spread. Let's see. 280, 250, 285.
Getting a pop to the high, 868. Foxtrot November Kilo Oscar.
Buy it close 285. Sell it close 280, 250. It's going for about $1.78. 1.78. Divide that by 0.9. Oh, wrong date there. November 27th.
Target hitting the intraday high after their better than expected report this morning. Tango Golf Tango.
Alrighty, Ephraim, I just closed out our paycheck trade on FedEx. I want to make some more trades, so here it is right here. We closed that out at $1.52, Ephraim. We were in at 0.90, out at $1.52, 1.52. Divide that by 0.9. 69% gain on our paycheck trade team. 25 contracts. We just closed out our FedEx trade. Beautiful, beautiful exit there on FedEx. Now what I'm going to do is utilize those profits for some more gains, for some new trades here. So we bought to close the 285 call. We sold to close the FedEx November 27, 282.50. I put it in a limit order for $1.45 because it had a red candle there. She actually got filled a little bit higher at $1.52. So beautiful trade there. So 1.52, divide that by 0.9. 69% gain there on FedEx team. Nice job. Nice job there. Let's see now. Portfolios. See what we made on that trade. Here is our profits now for the week so far, team. 7,000. Remember what I told you guys on Monday? What did I tell you guys I'm looking to make profit-wise this week? Do you guys remember? Yes, I did, Carson. I said 10. Well, I said 10 to 15,000. So we're almost at that 10. I think we could easily do that 10 to 15,000. So nice gains today already. And that's taking advantage of the holiday cyclical trend. It's also taking, guys, whoa. Just looking at the trade challenge account, guys. Space. Did you guys see Space? Huge gains on Space. They're at $1.10 now a contract. We paid 79 cents for the November 20th. I'm going to get rid of that trade right there, taking those profits. Let's see her climb a little bit more there. Let me see. Let's see if I could get 110.
NKLA and GM circulation now of Nikola. EV technology on the GM website. November Kilo Lima Alpha.
Okay, let's see. There we go. I'm out of the space trade at $1.04. Efren out of the trade challenge trade on space at $1.04 a contract.
36. It says we signed an agreement with Nikola to engineer and manufacture Nikola Badger.
What did we pay for that one, Efren? Do you remember? What did I just say? Was it 71 cents or 79 cents? What was it?
Nikola's class 7.8 semi.
We paid 79. 1.04, divide that by 0.79. There's a 32% gain on the space trade.
Nikola shares off the highs now 24.24, up about almost 10% at the high.
Efren, I just sold the Facebook trade as well for 25 cents in the trade challenge account. That one wasn't doing a darn thing there. Let's see now what other setups we could do. You know, these lights go off. Nice profit taking on space. That's continuing to pull back from those highs that we just sold at. Nice job, team. Really nice job. Salesforce is taking off here. Let's see what Boeing's doing. Nice pullback on Boeing since we sold at 220. Really nice job there, team. Let's see now. Where the heck did I put E-Trade? There we go.
CBX, Chevron CEO on CNBC says despite increasing transition to electric vehicles, demand for Chevron's products is expected to grow. Shares of GM hitting 43.21 now at the high. Golf Michael.
Guys, space is still taking off nicely. Take a look at space. Virgin Galactic. Big breakout there once again.
U.S. Senate Commerce Committee unanimously approves measure to reform FAA aircraft certification after Boeing 737 MAX crashes.
That was a heck of a week, wasn't it, guys? So glad to see things coming back to normalcy here. I'm watching space continue to take off up above here. Let's see what else we got. United Airlines up 4%. Delta up 3.35%. We have, let's see, we have Southwest Airlines up about 2.7%. Tesla's still continuing to break higher. We might be able to do something with Tesla there. Salesforce up about 2%. Let's see what else we got going on. Let's see. Bank of America. Pfizer's up almost 4% already for the day as well. Let's see here.
NKLA Nikola now seeing activity November 24 full, November 27, $24 call sweep on Nikola. NKLA shares of Candy.
Want to make another trade here, team. Looking for some good setups.
LOW Lowe's says expects about $70 million in cost per quarter associated with safety and cleanliness.
I know, right, Tyler? We got to wake up Google here. Space still taking off. Let's see what Google's doing. Intel's not doing a darn thing yet. Still plenty of time on Intel. Now, if you take a look at Google 3-month daily, notice how she's still holding that 10 here. So that's what I'm watching for today. I want to make sure it holds that 10 and doesn't have a big breakdown below, 1730. I think it should be fine. Dow's up about 125 points. Nasdaq's only down about 9 points for the day here, so not too worried about that. Bruce, I wish you did get into that trade. We closed it out for... What did we close out the Boeing trade there for, Efrain? What percentage gain did we have on that? $91 gain. Nice. Beautiful. Waiting for Google here to start its climb. See what she's doing. She's getting a little climb there. That's one of those ones that has big swings throughout the day. Let's see, what's Amazon doing? Amazon's down about 0.5%. Google's down about 0.2%. Waiting on the Google trade, team. That's some nice gains there. Let's see, what else did we lock in? Boeing we locked in today. $4,600 trade into 8,800. FedEx trade. Look at that. I mean, that's a heck of a trade right there. $1,600 gain on that. Our regular man, I wish we held that regular FedEx calls, huh, guys? Man, imagine if we held on to those. We had a nice $1,300 profit though, so can't complain. Google, we locked in a nice profit on. Nice $7,700 gain for the week so far. I'm going to be looking for some more day trades here today for sure. I'm watching Amazon still pulling back there. I'm thinking about making a trade once we start that new cycle. New phase there on Amazon. Looking for some good setups. You guys see any good setups happening yet?
Coming up at 10:30, crude and gasoline inventories.
Let's see here. Boeing, December 18th. I'm just updating the prices here.
City, spiking here to the highs, $4.60. Papa Romeo Tango Yankee.
Just closing out the trades here on YouTube. There we go. Nice job there. Julie, let's see here. Where is it? Julie Bryce, 15,000. Did you just say you made 15,000 on the trade?
SIRI and CNTSA,
Just looking at those now.
Universal News Group and SiriusXM broadened relationship with new long-term agreement.
Let's see if Google could start to get that pop there. Guys, look at space still taking off here. Thinking about doing something else here with space. Look at that big breakout on space. Continuing to run there.
Shares of SiriusXM getting a little pop here, $6.43, up 2 cents for the day on Siri. On that.
Guys, look at space still going. I'm thinking about doing something else with space here. That really looks ready for another big takeoff. I think I'm going to do a space trade here, guys. Let's see here. Okay, Julie, nice, thank you. All right, let's see. I think I'm going to do a space trade. I'll make a small one going into... I'd like to do that one a little bit further out. Let me just see what the option chain looks like here. I'll show you guys the option chain while we're looking at it here. I think that's a nice setup with the December 18th expo. That's not too bad. I'm going to pick that up. I'm going to make a small, probably $2,000 trade. Let's see, December 18th. Let's see what this 22 is going for, about $2. Okay, let's see. Limit 1.70. Let's see how that does. Let's see if we could get filled for 1.70. I'll get 10 contracts. Preview order. Place trade. View order. It's an open order there.
OBSV, Oscar Bravo Sandy Victor, Wedbush with a street high price target of $28 per share. That's Oscar Bravo Sandy Victor.
All right, we got executed at, let's see here. Okay, we got executed at $1.70.
Opsiva dropping to $2.31 at the high again.
I'm gonna post that trade in the trade room right now.
Price target by Wedbush. Yeah, the stock now at $2.27, trading up 9 cents now.
There we go, guys. I just made that new trade. That's posted in the trade room for you guys. We are in another space trade. Virgin Galactic. Let's see. Quantum says he likes dicks. Yeah. You guys in the trade. Oh, you guys make me laugh. You got to see the YouTube chat. He says he said he liked dicks. I'm quite the opposite, but you know, dicks. Let's see, 3-month daily chart here, looking pretty good. Nice breakout, candle above the 10-day simple moving average. The MACD is just starting to cross up here. First candle above the 10. Doesn't look too bad there, Quantum. Not too bad at all. That was funny. Yeah, I didn't realize it until I until I said it. Like, Quantum loves dicks here. All right, guys, space is still taking off. That's really good. Space trade is looking great. Let's see where we're up on the space trade. Dicks, though, I'd give that a little bit of time. I think I'd wait for the crossover, and then I'd look for that first green bar above the 0 line on the histogram. Space trade's already got us a 2% gain. Not too bad there. Looking good. Space still on the climb. Space up 4% now. We got 3% gain on space. Want to find a nice breakout here. Quantum says Dix has room to grow. Oh, you guys are funny. I don't know about that one, Quantum. I'd wait for a little bit longer. I think Dix is about as big as it's going to get for now. Look at space, though, still on the run. Nice run on space. I mean, that thing's still taking off nicely. Look at that today, 1 minute chart. Let's see, Harold Bazzani says, what's your opinion on Target? Let's see, TGT. I know a few of the members in the trade room picked up Target. It's finally starting to break above that resistance going back to, you know, mid-October there. That's not looking bad. Let's see what Walmart's doing. Walmart looks ready to climb here as well.
GM, Nicola, General Motors spokeswoman says nothing to report on Nicola. Nicola, 26.20 the high now, 24.52. Nicola also saying nothing is new.
Errol, Target there, if that could break that, she's already breaking it. I think that should easily see a 170 target there. Amazon's starting to break out. I think Google's going to start to break out here. Take a look at Amazon. Amazon today, 1 minute. Had a pullback from the highs, getting up to that 50. It breaks that 50. We could be looking at that 3140 by the end of today. And then same thing for Google. It's just starting to get its little climb here. 1020 cross is starting to come up here. MACD's already crossed. Histogram bars are in the green above the 0 line. Candle above 10-20-day simple moving average. So just a little waiting time there. Let's see what Space is doing. Space is still climbing. Look at that breakout on Space. Should have made a little bit larger of a trade on Space instead of the 1,700 bucks. It's looking good. Looking good. Let's see, what's Boeing doing now? Boeing's starting to climb again here, team, as well. I might be making another trade on Boeing. Amazon's really breaking out. Take a look at Amazon there. Nice climb on Amazon. Space still taking off. $5% gain on our space trade already, team. Let's see. Duncan says workhorse.
TSLA, Tesla.
Tesla's at the highs of the day. Workhorse up about 4%. Let's see. 6-month daily on workhorse. That's looking great there. I like that. I'd go with that out to about the December monthly expo there. I remember looking at the option chain though for workhorse. It's so damn expensive.
Trump campaign set to file for recount in Wisconsin.
Trump doing a recount in Wisconsin. Let's see, PLTR they're talking about. Nice break out there. I wonder if Avilio's still trading that. Man, space is still rocketing higher. We already got a 9% gain on our space trade. There's another $150 right there if we wanted to lock in profits. That's amazing. I'm not going to do it yet, though. I think we still got plenty of room to run there. Not seeing too much of anything else here take off just yet. Man, these lights, I don't know why they go off every 15 freaking minutes. That's the most stressful part of my day. These lights going off.
McConnell says Democrats' aid proposal had no chance of becoming law. That from Bloomberg. U.S. imposes more Iran-related sanctions. Sanctions target dozens of individuals and entities. That from the U.S. Treasury website.
Ephraim, what was the percent gain we? Never mind. It's right here, right in front of me. 69%.
Shares of Disney hitting the intraday high. DIS Disney up about 0.5%.
Let's see. Amazon's starting to climb here. Having a nice day here, team. Day's going by so quick already as well. One last trade open in the trade challenge account, Intel. Want to see that spike, guys. Amazon's getting a nice breakout here. Thinking about making a little day trade on Amazon here. There goes Amazon. What a breakout. Thinking about picking up some calls on it. You know what? I might as well just do it here. I like that breakout. There goes Google again as well.
General Motors hitting new highs now, 43.93, up 4.5% for General Motors. Shares of Nikola still up about 13, almost 14% now, 25.06.
All right, guys, I just picked up a quick day trade on Amazon here. I just picked up the 3130 November 20th call on Amazon. One single contract there. I'll just hold on to that one for a little bit here. Look at Google. Google's looking good. Big breakout on Google here as well. This is a day trade, okay? So smaller accounts should not get into that trade. Posted that in the trade room just now. Again, here's what we did so far today. We closed out our Boeing trade. We got in that for $4,600 trade. We ended up closing that out for about $8,800. We profited a net profit on that of almost $4,200. That was a quick 2 or 3 day trade there. Beautiful setup there. FedEx, we had that vertical spread here. So obviously when you're short one leg, you're to be minus. You want the long leg to have bigger gains than the short leg. So we close that out for a nice, $1,600 profit. Our regular FedEx calls that we had that we closed out one Monday, closed that out for $1,300 profit. $3,700 trade into a 50-50 trade. Google trade, that was a small one. We capitalized on that with a quick $700 profit. So far for the week here, we're up $7,687. And these are small trades we were making. $3,000 to $4,000 trades. See 3-month daily on Amazon here. I see her start to climb there. I don't see anything else really moving just yet. Nothing that entices me to jump in. Banks are doing pretty well. Let's see, Chewy, CHWY. Chewy's looking good there, Chevin. 65.42. I'd be looking for that $70 target on Chewy there. Not a bad setup on Chewy. Google got a nice little climb there, holding that 10. Watching that. Let's see what else. He said Uber. I'm not a fan of Uber. You want me to tell you why here? So what's going on with Uber, all these bigger restaurants like, like McDonald's, all these other ones, I mean, they named a bunch of them there. They're coming out with their own platform that you could download their app and you could order right on their app and have it delivered without the expenses from Uber or, what's the other one there? DoorDash and Grubhub. So got to keep that in mind and keep that on the watch. That's really important. They do still use it, but they are coming out with their own platform because they're having to give 20% of the order to Uber. So they obviously want to keep those margins there. So that's why you're seeing, Uber looks okay there. Doesn't look too bad. It's consolidating though. I'd wait for a break above $50 a share if you wanted to trade that, Chevin. That's what I'd personally be doing.
DDOG reported a deal with Microsoft, Delta Oscar Golf, Datadog. GM and NKLA, GM spokesperson confirms deal with Nikola has not closed. Tells Benjamin making our all-electric vision a reality page on company investor relations site has been on the company website since September 8th. GM still in discussions with Nikola. That's NKLA and GM. Coming up, the oil and gasoline data coming up at 10:30.
Guys, if you guys are liking this video and you're doing well, please give this video a thumbs up on YouTube here. Give it a like for me. Share it on social media. Please, guys, do whatever you can. You know, I'm trying to help you guys out. If you guys could help me out, it's a win-win situation. Really appreciate that. Give it a like on the YouTube channel there on the video. Subscribe to our channel.
6 million. Distillates a draw of 5.2 million. Again, crude stocks a build of 768,000 versus the build of 1.65 million expected. Gasoline a build of 2.611 million versus a build of 87,000 expected. And distillates a draw of 5.217 million versus the draw of 1.457 million expected. Crude getting a little pop here now, 42.20 on crude.
Google's still having a nice climb there from the lows.
Confirming now U.S. will impose new sanctions on Iran in the coming weeks and months.
Not too much going on yet here, team.
Crude now reversing 41.99.
Crude shares reversing. I'd like to see some breaking news come across. We could take advantage of it as well, Duncan. Guys, space is still climbing again. Intel's climbing. It sure is there. Let's see. Nice climb on Intel. 3-month daily. Intel's still holding that 10. I'm telling you guys, once we see that first body above this blue 20-day simple moving average on Intel, that's when I'm going to be adding to our trade. Because look at this. We got some really good things going on here with Intel. First off, we have some consolidation. Okay. Now, once we get a breakout above this consolidation, more specifically, this blue 20-day simple moving average, that's going to be huge for us. What we want to do is look for that first green candle above that blue 20-day simple moving average. We already got the MACD cross. Histogram, we got green bars above the 0 line on the histogram. That's looking good, looking good. Now it's just consolidation. That's what I mean about patience and discipline. There's a reason why we got the December 18th Expo team, right? You remember that. I didn't get this week's Expo on Intel. I didn't get next week's. I got December 18th, which is my birthday. December 18th monthly Expo. Plenty of time there. I think that's going to continue to climb there. We'll see how it goes. Stop's going to be first candle below that 45 area. Our target, though, is going to be upwards of that, 49 to 50 target area. I do not have any DraftKings calls. That I do not. Maybe in the other account I do. Let me check the other account quick.
EGO, Echo Golf Oscar, hearing Beta Bill saying that El Dorado Gold is in talks to be acquired. Echo Golf Oscar.
We do have the DraftKings, the November 20th 45 strike call in the other account here. That's doing really nicely today. I'd love to see Tesla break that $500 this week. That would be incredible. And remember, we still have the Carnival Cruise Line 1750-20 vertical spread there as well. Guys, space back up to highs. Space is climbing again here, still looking good. Space trade's up 12% already. Quick $200 gain on our space trade. Nice climb on space.
JMIA, Jumia, December 20 call sweep on JMIA, Julia Michael India Alpha.
Want to see space break that 25 bucks. Ephraim, I just closed out our space trade here that we just made. You know, we had a nice profit on that. I closed that out at $1.93. Here it is here in the trade room. Over $200 profit on that trade, I believe it was. There goes another one. Let's see here. Here's that trade there we just closed. We just closed that other space trade right here. December 18, 23 strike call. $220 profit. Why would you not lock that in? You know, you got to lock that stuff in. Love that setup there. It was a nice trade. Quick gains. Ephraim, what were we in that trade for? Let me get back in the trade room here. $1.70. We closed it out at $1.93. 1.93. Divide that by 1.7. Is a quick 14% gain. Not bad. 14% gain for a quick 220 bucks. And like I said, that was what, 15-minute trade, maybe a half hour tops. You can't beat that. Can't beat it. Amazon's starting to climb. Google's starting to climb here as well. Looking forward to those, as we're going to have a hell of a week this week, I'm telling you. Well, we already are. $8,000 in profits. Not bad. Now if we could see. Wow, look at Google here taking off, team. G-O-O-G-L. Look at that breakout here on Google starting to climb now. Let's see her break that 1753. She could break 1755, no question. She'll be back up to that 1765. Want to see that continued climb here. Quantum says check out Penn Gaming, P-E-N. That's a huge breakout there, Quantum. Not a bad setup. You should have gotten in when it broke that resistance at 66. Let's see, 3-month daily. Look at that breakout. That's looking like she's going to be heading for 75 bucks. That's a nice setup there, Quantum. If you want to trade that up to 75, I'd be looking at the December 18th Expo if you wanted to pick up Penn. I'd be looking at the 70 strike call. 70 strike call. Your stop is going to be about... Let's say your stop's going to be about 67. Target's going to be 75. Nice setup there. I like that. I like it.
Virgin Galactic, seeing some call activity.
Virgin Galactic team. More call activity coming in on Virgin Galactic.
Charlie Echo, Virgin Galactic. Some continuing call activity in Smile Direct Club now. Same Andy Del
Amazon and Google are starting its climb again here, team. Nice climb here starting on Google and Amazon. Guys, space is still breaking higher. I think I might do a space trade here as well. Do another space trade. Nice climb there on space, team.
Therapeutics spiking here again.
Nice breakout on space.
KZIA.
Nice job today, team. Heck of a day. How'd everyone do today? YouTube, Trade Room, how'd you guys make out today? Nice day today. Let's see. Google's still on the climb there, looking good. How'd you guys make out? I'd like to hear from you guys. Look at that big breakout on space, guys. It's still running.
Senator Schumer says the Democrats have formally invited Senate Republicans to join bipartisan talks on COVID-19 relief legislation.
There goes space taking off again here, team. Might do another trade on space. Let's see. 6-month daily. Looking good there. What a heck of a breakout. Think that December 18th expo is going to work out well there. Gamestop is still on the climb there as well. GameStop's up 3% today, nearing $12 a share. Guys, Google is really taking off here. Take a look at GOOGL. Today, 1 minute. Big candle there on Google, breaking higher, 1755 it's nearing. Amazon still on the climb here as well. We're looking good here, team. And that's pretty much going to do it for today. You know, we made our trades. We locked in some big profits, made some other nice trades. I think we're going to have a heck of a day here today, team. And I really think we're going to finish off this week strong. I'm looking for that $10,000 to $15,000 week. And we already have some nice gains here. What are we up here? Let's see. Where the heck did I put it? Here we go. This is what we did today, team. We locked in $7,906.82 this week. Boeing trade, we locked that in for $4,200 gain, 91%. FedEx vertical spread, we locked that in for what? A 63%? 69% gain. That was our paycheck trade. That FedEx trade was our paycheck trade. That was a quick 69% gain. Beautiful trade. FedEx trade, we closed earlier this week on Monday, $1,300 gain. Google, first trade, closed it out for a $700 gain. Space, we just closed that out for what, a 14% gain? Something like that. Worked out really well. Up about $8,000 so far. There goes Google, guys. Look at Google. 1755.64. There goes Amazon, too. Amazon having a nice breakout there, team. 3122.63 on Amazon. Continuing to climb higher. We're looking good, guys. That's going to do it for us here today, guys. If you guys want to come join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com. Sign up with us. Join us right here. Here's the trade room. Go to live trading trade room. Here's our homepage. If you guys want to join us, just go to join now, membership login, or I'm sorry, pricing membership plans. It's pretty cheap, guys. $125 a month for the live trading in the morning. $250 a month for the live trading in the morning, afternoon, app alert, text alert, our beginner and intermediate classes, and then the Elite Pro Trader, you save $500, but we got the Black Friday special going on. All you need to do is right here in coupon code, put Black Friday, and then you click sign up, upgrade, for the Elite Pro Trader. That's going to save you 35% there. That's our Black Friday special for you guys. So get signed up. Come join us. We'll be live again in the afternoon at 2 o'clock. Once you guys join us, you guys could check out all of our trades right here. Here's our trade alerts. If you click on that, here's all of our trades. Here's our trades. You know, you can keep scrolling down and see all of them. And there's more multiple pages there you guys can check out. So make sure you guys do that. Check it out there. Live trade room. You go right here, live trade room. Here's our trade room right here. Okay? Nice. Now, you want to go in the live trading in the morning, you click there. Live trading in the afternoon, you click there. You want to sign up for our weekly classes, you're going to click here. And then here again, morning live Zoom, afternoon live Zoom. Classes, recorded classes right here. Click on education. You'll see all of our classes right here. Here's our beginner. Here's our intermediate. Here's our experienced. You know, and beautiful setup there for you guys to check out. Alrighty, guys. I'm going to head off of here now. I will see you guys later. Have a great day. It was a wonderful trading day today. We're still climbing. Google's still looking good here as well. Love that setup there on Google. So, I will see you guys at 2. Hope everyone has a great day. Come join us. That Black Friday special is going to be ending soon. Take care, guys.